of going out on our day off, we are studying for exam again.
Right? We just had midterms last week.
Come on, the semester is almost over. Let's put our goals on.
Okay. How many subjects are we covering today, Kat?
We have 3 subjects today, girl.
That intend let's just get started.
I do feel a bit sick, but I can handle it.
We have been studying for 3 hours. I haven't seen you get up even once.
I don't want to change position or move around because I will have to refocus my concentration.
Alright, whatever works for you.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, sweetie. Hey, are you okay?
Not really. I didn't want to go to the bathroom at all while studying today.
You should eat in later. No matter how focused you are, you have to take care of your body.
I understand. Mom has my package, alright?
Yes, or it's over there. It's quite heavy when me to carry it up there for you.
No, it's okay. Thanks, Mom.
May come down to breakfast. What's wrong? You don't look well.
My back hurts so much, Mom. I couldn't even sit and study last night.
You've been working unsteadily for 2 or 3 days now. How about seeing a traditional doctor?
That sounds like a good idea.
This is your 5th day of internship. Please perform your tag diligently. Understand. If you are unsure about any treatment, please consult me immediately.
Patient has arrived.
Alright, everyone take your position.
Hello, I am an intern. What seems to be the problem today?
Hello, doctor. I have been experiencing lower back pain.
How long have you had this pain?
It started 3 days ago. I was studying for a long hour and also lift a heavy package.
Can you describe the pain?
It feels sore and tingly, with pain radiating down to my knee.
Have you been holding in urine frequently?
Yes, I do it often, almost habitually.
Have you received any prior treatment or taken any medication?
No, but my mom gives me massage when the pain gets really bad.
Okay, let's proceed with a physical examination.
I will now conduct the traditional Thai physical examination. 1. Heal the children. The object side is slightly tilted. 2. Flexing the leg into full shape. Resist tight when pressing down. 3. Spine alignment. Normal. 4. Temperature change on the painful area. No heat and redness. 5. Identify a pain point at signal 1 on the back. The examination is complete. Please wait a moment while another doctor initiates treatment.
I will now proceed with the message therapy. First, basic message on the effect side. Second, back message on signal 1 and 2 and 3. Focus on 1. Third, outer Other type message on signal 1 and 2 and 3. Focus on 3. Fourth, inner type message on signal 1 and 2. Focus on 2. The treatment is compelling. How do you feel?
The pain has eased significantly.
That's good. Now, prepare for a doctor to give you further guidance.
Can my mom listen in as well?
Of course.
Based on your symptom, this fall under ลมปลายปตฆาตสัญญาณ 1 or myofascial pain syndrome. This condition is caused by stagnant lymph flow and improper tendon alignment due to prolonged sitting and heavy lifting.
That makes sense.
Lifting heavy object incorrectly, increased tendon compression, causing an accumulation of trapped wind in the lower back. This can press on the nerve, leading to numbness or muscle weakness.
Don't worry, May. Your condition can improve with proper self-care. Here, what I recommend. First, adjust posture and habit. Avoid sitting in a hunched position of long period. Keep your back straight and change position every 30 to 45 minutes. When I lifting object, bend your knee and use leg strength instead of bending your back. Second, use herbal compressive ball containing pride, turmeric, and lemongrass to release muscle tension. Third, try acupressure massage along the 10-wrist line. Focus on Ita and Pingala line to improve wrist flow, like winking arm or arm swinging can also help.
If you experience frequent radiating pain, numbness, or worsening symptoms, consult a doctor immediately, as this could indicate a nerve compression.
If you have any further question or concern, feel free to visit us anytime.
Thank you so much. I will follow the advice carefully.